Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a server error on Dropbox. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page we search about the application of Dropbox. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then here we click on clear cache. After that we click on Play Store. You will search about Dropbox. And then here we'll update your app if you find updates. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and